Now you see him getting a little excited. I'm picking his head up. I just ask him to release. Drop your head. Drop your head. So a lot of times people want a different breed of something. You know, you get a Gypsy Vanner, you get a Paso, you get an Arabian, and you say, well, I want the horse to lope like a Western Pleasure horse. Okay, it's not a breed thing, it's a conditioning thing. You don't see Western Pleasure horses loping like that without their riders. So it's just to figure out how they get them to do that. So I want him to walk, trot, canter like a reining horse. So I have to do everything I can to help him with that.